Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen salmon burgers on a grill. So the first thing I'm going to do is preheat the grill. So I'm going to turn the heat on high and close the lid so it preheats quickly. So to grill salmon burgers, I like to use foil because those tend to stick and fall apart on the grill. So to prevent that, I'm using foil. So I'm just going to wrap each salmon burger in foil, and they're frozen, no need to defrost them. So I'm just going to open the packages of the frozen salmon burgers, and I'll wrap each in foil. So now I wrapped them in foil, and I'm going to put them on a grill. So our grill should be preheated. And let's take the foil wrapped salmon burgers and put them on a grill. And now I'm going to close the grill, and I'm going to cook them for 7 minutes, and then we're going to check on them. So I actually forgot to mention, so once we close the lid, we need to reduce the heat. So I'm going to reduce it to medium-low. So that's the correct heat settings. So now I'm checking on the burgers in 7 minutes, and then we'll flip them and finish cooking. So now the burgers have been cooking for 7 minutes, and let's open the lid, and let's flip the salmon burgers and foil to the other side. And now I will close the lid and cook them for 5 minutes on this side. So now they've been cooking for 5 minutes on this side, and they're ready. So if it's the first time cooking them, just double check to make sure they're cooked. You can check the internal temperature with an instant read thermometer. It should be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 145. So from my experience, I know I've made it a few times. I know they're cooked, so I'm going to turn off the heat and take them off the grill. So now wait a few minutes until they're cool enough to handle, or you can use gloves if you have them, and we'll open the foil packets and have them cool down some more and then try them. So now they've cooled down a little bit, so let's unwrap them carefully. Awesome. Look at these salmon burgers, perfectly grilled. So if you ever tried to make salmon burgers on a grill before and you weren't successful because they got stuck or fell apart, you need this foil method. See, like with foil, it doesn't fall apart, and they're perfectly grilled. And now let's just cut one so you could see that it's cooked inside. So perfect, perfectly cooked inside. Awesome. And now let's try it. Mmm. So delicious. So these burgers are pre-seasoned, so you don't need to season them separately. But if you use a different brand that wasn't seasoned, you can always season them at this point. So these are amazing, perfectly cooked, was super easy to make on a grill. And of course, you should assemble the burgers with buns and cheese and toppings. I just wanted to show you the basics on how to cook the actual salmon burger patties. So it was so easy, you'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!